Wake up. It's late now. Time to wake up.
Mom! Why are you still in bed, Mila? You don't sleep this long. You usually wake up early.
I'm not feeling well, Mom. I feel sick.
Tell me what's wrong, my dear.
My head really hurts. I'm really tired. I can't keep my eyes open. I'm really cold.
Oh God, you have a high fever. Just lie down and rest, dear. I'll let your dad know.
Okay, Mom.
Henry! Henry, come quickly!
Is everything okay? You look worried.
I think something's wrong.
Is it something serious?
Mila isn't feeling well. She feels very hot, and she looks really weak.
Does she have a fever?
I'm not certain yet, but I think so.
Let's go check on her. Good morning, Mila.
Good morning, Dad.
What's wrong with you?
I'm not feeling well.
Mila, you feel quite warm. I think you may have a fever.
I think we should take her to the hospital right away.
Yes, let's take her to the doctor right now.
Mila, does your head hurt?
I feel a bit dizzy, and my head hurts a little.
Do you feel uncomfortable?
We'll be at the doctor's very soon. Just take slow, deep breaths.
I don't like hospitals. Hospitals feel scary, and I don't like their smell at all.
Many people think like that, but doctors are here to help patients get better.
Will the doctor give me an injection?
Usually, fever is treated with rest and medicine. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Okay, I'll try not to worry.
Don't worry. The doctor will see you shortly.
Let's sit there for a while until the doctor calls your name.
A lot of people are waiting here today.
Yes, it seems a little busy, but we'll patiently wait for our turn.
I'll go speak to the receptionist. You stay here. Excuse me?
Yes? Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. My daughter is feeling very sick.
All right. Please have a seat here and wait. The doctor will call you shortly when it's your turn.
Thank you. We'll wait here.
Mom, I'm really tired and feeling uneasy. The hospital smell makes me feel like vomiting.
Stay calm, Mila. The doctor will check you and help you feel better soon.
When will the doctor call us?
I hope the doctor calls us soon.
Don't be scared. We're always here with you. Hello, Mila. It's your turn now. The doctor is ready to see you. Don't worry, my dear. We're right here with you. The doctor will see you now. Please come with me. Good morning. How can I help you today? Good morning, doctor. My daughter hasn't been feeling well since this morning. Can you please explain all the symptoms in detail? She woke up this morning feeling very tired, and she said she has a headache. I see. Thank you for explaining. Hi, Mila. How do you feel now?
My head still hurts. I feel really weak and cold.
Do you have a sore throat or a cough?
Yes, a little.
Okay, I'll check you carefully. Now I'm going to check your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths. Your breathing sounds normal and steady. Now I'm going to check your temperature with a digital thermometer. Your temperature is 101 Fraft. You have a slight fever. Is this something we should be worried about? So, she doesn't need to be admitted to the hospital. She just needs rest and should take the medicines I prescribe. Then you'll get better very soon. Thank you, doctor, for explaining everything so clearly. You're welcome. Please make sure she rests well. And make sure she takes her medicine on time. Please take this prescription to the pharmacy, and they'll give you all the medicines listed here. Thank you, doctor. How long should she take the medicine? Take it for 3 days, twice daily, after breakfast and after dinner. What if she still doesn't improve after that? Then bring her back again.
All right. We will follow your instructions carefully.
Mila, take good care of yourself and rest well.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, Mila.
Mom, I'm really glad it's nothing serious.
Let's go home now, so you can get some good rest.
Before that, we should go to the pharmacy first.
All right, let's stop at the pharmacy first and get the medicine.
It's better if we buy the medicine before going home.
Are we going to the nearest pharmacy near the hospital?
Yes. It's only about 5 minutes away.
Mila, how do you feel now? I still feel a bit tired, but not as much as before.
We're at the pharmacy now. I'll go inside to get the medicine. You both stay in the car.
Okay.
Hello? I need these medicines from this prescription. Sure, let me check the prescription.
Please wait. I'll get the medicine for you.
Please wait. I'll get the medicine for you. Here is your medicine.
Thanks. How much is it?
It costs $25.
All right, here you are.
Thank you. Please make sure she rests well and drinks warm liquids. Thank you. Here you go. The medicine.
Is it okay if I take the medicine now?
No. Go home, have some food, then take the medicine.
Okay, Mom.
We're almost home now.